Huh? Ah! Mamma mia! Help! Help!
Don't worry about her, Mario. She's very friendly.
Quick! A blue mushroom! That'll do it! Oh, thank you! Here you go, little guy.
Diddy! Diddy, where are you? Oh no! What's happened to Diddy? Fizzy, Fizzy, quick, come help! What's the matter, Phoebe? Look what's happened to Diddy! Oh, don't worry. Mario just gave her a blue mushroom. Oh no! And it's turned her red! Oh my goodness! This is a disaster! It's alright, Phoebe. We'll turn her back. Oh, okay. What you guys doing? Well, we're gonna make squishies.
It's me, Miss Hands. You're gonna make squishies? That sounds awesome! I can help if you like.
Awesome sauce! Yes, please, Miss Hands.
All right, come on then. Let's go! Woohoo! All right, first up, we need to put 1 scoop of our magical squishy powder.
Miss Hands, let's add some green sparkles for Diddy.
Some green sparkles. Whoa, that's a lot of green sparkles. All right, what now? Let's add some green confetti. Great idea, Mario. Some green confetti. Anything else?
Oh, what about some green slime?
Great idea, Fizzy. All right, green slime coming up.
Woohoo!
Look how stretchy our green slime is. Whoa, that's so stringy. All right, come on, Mr. Green Slime. In you go. Oh, Miss Hands? Yes, Mario? Could we add some chocolate stars and mushrooms too? All right, Mario. Woohoo! All right. Some chocolate stars. Yummy. And 2 sweetie mushrooms. They look delicious. Now that's the kind of mushrooms I do like. Delicious.
This squishy looks awesome! It sure does. What do you think, Mario?
I love it. I love all the green. I wish Luigi was here to see it. Diddy, what do you... Diddy? Oh no! Where's Diddy?
Oh no! This is bad! Very bad! We're supposed to be looking after Diddy! Oh no! Fizzy!
Uh-oh. If we've lost Diddy, then her mom is gonna be so mad! Oh no! Fizzy!
Whoa! Calm down, everyone! I'm sure Diddy is nearby. Let's see if we can spot where she might have gone. Come on!
Whoa, look! I'm gonna follow these footprints. That might lead us to Diddy. Diddy, we've been looking everywhere for you. Whoa, you're right, Diddy. These are really shiny, sparkly stars. Diddy, we've been looking everywhere for you.
Whoa, you're right, Diddy. They are really shiny little stars. Good job. Miss Hands, Miss Hands.
Yes, Phoebe?
Can we add them to the squishies? Please, 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 please.
All right, Phoebe. Come on.
All right.
Here you go, Diddy. Let's go ahead and put these beautiful shiny stars into our squishy. Wow, so pretty.
Wow, that squishy looks complete to me.
All right, Diddy, you better come stand over here. Now let's fill it up with water and tie it off. All right, that looks awesome. Look at how sparkly it is. And whoa, I can see a chocolate star and a mushroom. Look at all of the sparkly stars. Good choice, Diddy. What do you think, Mario? Woohoo! I think it looks awesome. Great work, everybody. What do you think, Diddy? Do you like your dinosaur squishy?
All right, I'm so glad you love it, Diddy. Come on, we better get this little dino home.
Fizzy. Yes, Mario? I'm really sorry about shrinking her.
That's all right, Mario. Yeah, that's all right, Mario. We can use Fizzy's magic to help.
Wait, what? Fizzy's magic?
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you say so earlier?
Well, I guess I thought you looked kind of cute. Time for some Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.
Whoa! She's so tall! Oh.
She sure is, aren't you, Diddy? Good girl.
Oh, all right. Whoa! What was that?
Don't be scared, Mario. That's just Diddy's mom. Come on, Phoebe. Let's go help Mario. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Mario, we're coming.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.